Today morning is very beautiful, sunny. Actually, yesterday before I go to sleep, I noticed one thing, that my laser battery is almost empty. And that makes me concerned about it, why it didn't charge it while we're driving. So the problem is that if my battery is almost empty, I couldn't use the heater because I have the fridge, and fridge is more important than the heater sometimes. But yeah, today I checked and put solar panel out and it's charging. In a few moments we drive one beautiful road again, but this time it will be the getting down. Yeah, I'm excited, I'm waiting for it. We will see what happens. I just got down from the Eagle Road. It was amazing. You cannot drive very fast because otherwise you have sports car with good brakes. You cannot brake a lot and all the time because your brakes will be on flame. I inspected my battery, second battery. It still doesn't charge. We will stop next where I can check what is wrong. So I need just to make inspection. And right now I want to take some photos, so I will go nearby, I would say the water, take some pictures. I just got back to my van and yeah, my solar panel charging my battery, but only solar panel, so I was about 1 hour or something, so this isn't fully charged. And right now we're moving somewhere to another place, I don't know. And yeah, I need to check my battery's charging problem. Maybe I could solve it on the road, hopefully. So yeah, we're moving. Stopped the line. I think this line just made the traffic before the tunnel entrance, because maybe road works in the tunnel. I believe it. That worker's car is just for goes through the tunnel, like leading the way. Then the cars coming in and coming out, just in one line. So we're waiting for our turn. drive through this, not one, but 3 tunnels, and we stopped at the parking lot. In Norway is a lot of parking lots. You can stop basically everywhere. Actually, for us, it's now lunchtime because we didn't eat. And right now it's 16:30, so it's almost the evening. While the food is cooking, I will check why generator doesn't charge my second battery. We need to find the issue and fix it. Okay, let's get into work. So I just removed the fuse. I know that the fuse was broken and I'm using this one, but this one also in very strange condition. So I will try to use only this piece of wire and we'll see if it makes better. I measure the current, and when I start the car, generator working and the charging this battery, but it should go current from this terminal, but it doesn't came. So yeah, problem I think is in the relay, in that box. Took away this relay and I saw that all terminals it's tight, so nothing loose. Maybe the relay is broken, so but yeah, it failed. Yeah, that's a shame. Yeah, I will do like this. I put this wire to this terminal to make direct a connection between generator and first battery directly to the second one. I made this custom thing that I connect this piece to the battery and this one to the battery or generators. I made this connection. I hope it works. 10 ampere fuse blow away and the 20 amperes doing his job, and by this I can see it's charging, so okay for now. is nearby Loen city, so we drive through the city and saw that so many commercial buildings and so on. It's very I think, tourist popular city. So we didn't want to stay in it, and we just drive by the lake. Tomorrow we will try to hike into one of the peaks. So yeah, we are planning to do so. So today we're preparing, and forecast unfortunately is not the best for tomorrow, but we will see. One thing I want to mention, I created like GoPro mount and put the camera on this mirror. I use my Sony small camera and GorillaPod, and I twisted this GorillaPod on the back mirror and attached the camera. It was very funny, but yeah, I think it did a job good. And that's all what I want to tell you this evening, because right now it's very late. It's 10:40, and we're going, as I mentioned, prepare and then for a rest, because I believe we will get up very early. We will see. Okay, see ya!